Hi friends, good evening to everyone. Now we're watching beautiful pure kanchi handloom soft silk saree. These are pure handloom and very beautiful and elegant booties and very different border, contrast pallu, and some saree have a contrast blouse and some saree have a running also. These are very rich and elegant, very beautiful motifs on the body. So gap order will be there. So if you want to book, please WhatsApp me on 9148881693. There is no cash on delivery. Rather than cash on delivery, we have all payment option available, and there is no shop. These are coming from direct weaver at a weaver price. So there is no shop. If you want to book online, please WhatsApp me on my number 9148881693. If you want to support handloom weavers, kindly support, subscribe, like, share. How much you can possible, please share it. Let them grow and grow our country also. So please support me, subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.